Tired of high fees and invasive KYC checks? Today, we're diving into KCEX, a fast-growing crypto exchange that's built for traders who value privacy and efficiency. Here are 4 reasons why KCEX might be your next favorite platform. None of this is financial advice. Always do your own research. So here we are on KCEX, and here we can see it's just like any other exchange. We've got our market, spot, futures, and event center right here. But one thing that's super important about KCEX is the first point we're going to be talking about here today, and that is the fees. KCEX offers some of the lowest fees in the industry. 0% spot fees, 0% maker fees on futures, and KCEX is a game changer for high-frequency traders and scalpers. Here we can see the fee structure, and it is ridiculously low compared to any of the competitors out there. Here we can also see all of the different coins that they do fees on, so worth taking a look at this, but the short story is it's incredibly cheap. So in an industry where every dollar counts, KCEX lets you keep more of your profits. The second point here is generous new user bonuses. If you're just getting started, KCEX welcomes you with open arms and a full wallet. New users can unlock a massive sign-up bonus, sometimes up to 5,500 USDT or more. So whether it's a deposit match bonus or trading task rewards, they'll give you extra capital you need to kickstart your portfolio. Here we can see all of the different beginner rewards that you can get here simply by trading small amounts like 100 USDT, or the higher you go, the more you'll get rewarded. Now, the third point here is the diverse selection of cryptocurrencies that KCEX offers. Variety is the spice of trading, and KCEX supports a massive selection of cryptocurrencies. You've got giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but you also get early access to trending altcoins, meme coins, and layer 2 tokens. With super deep liquidity and over 100,000 transactions per second, your orders are filled instantly, no matter what you're trading. Here we can see all of the big dogs, so we've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and even XRP here. But if we scroll down, we can see that they also offer a bunch of different alternative coins here that we can actually go through and potentially invest in. Now, the user interface is pretty straightforward and very intuitive like you'd expect. You don't want something completely different and have a learning curve, so I like that they've set it up similar to other exchanges here. So here we can see the order book, and if we wanted to do some TA, it's very straightforward and easy to do, as you can see here. On the right-hand side, we have all of the ways we can set up our trade. So we have a limit order, market order, and of course we can set our take profits and stop losses very, very easily. Now, my fourth point here is that no KYC is required. Users can trade and withdraw up to 20 BTC per day without mandatory identity verification. So that is something that is incredibly unique. So when talking about privacy, unlike many other exchanges, these guys do not force you through a bunch of identity checks. In short, KCEX does not require KYC to get started. You can sign up, deposit, and start trading in minutes. You even have a generous daily reward limit of that 20 BTC without needing to submit ID documents. And honestly, this is crypto the way it was meant to be, decentralized and accessible. So you got low fees, big bonuses, huge variety, and total privacy. KCEX is checking all of the boxes for 2026. Head over to kcex.com or download the app today to claim your welcome bonus. Don't forget that you can use the link in the description to get started. That's going to be it from me. I will see you guys in the next video.